Hey everybody, me and Gina's gonna head over to Fredricksburg, Texas. Big old swap meet! Swap meet! I'm doing it. Come on, we're gonna do one more.
No.
See you there.
There it is.
All right, we're here. Let's go find stuff that we didn't know we even needed. I'm gonna video your car, man. Sing Jack Wheelies?
All you can see is just people forever and ever. There he is over there trying to wheel and deal.
Hey, you ready to go home?
Oh, she's hot.
Let's go home. All right, we walked all over. Only found one thing. All right, we walked around for a couple hours and didn't find much. I mean, found stuff that we could maybe got, but nothing we really needed. So we've got a Hot Wheels sign to display our Hot Wheels collection. What you doing back there, babe?
Hiding.
But anyways, yeah, I appreciate you, everybody watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.
We're going to the swap meet. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Chloe Bell's excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Swap meet.
I might find a gourd chicken again.
Hey, what's going on? We're heading to Fredricksburg, Texas for the big swap meet.
Yay, swap meet.
Oh, wait,